To connect your Pinterest account to your Instagram, you come to Pinterest, come to your profile, that page right there. You see this three button up here. Click on it. You go to settings and you click on claim the account. Then if you have not claimed before, you claim, tap on it. It will move you over to a website where you have to link your Instagram. If it's showing you error, that means it's still going to come back. Just wait a little while. If you find yourself on this page, you sign in with that particular username and password. There's a two authentication on my account, so I'll have to do all the whole verification process first, then it will connect. So after typing my password, log in. So as you can see, it's logged me in and it's asking me, you previously connected, would you like to continue sharing? I said yes. So mine was I connected before, you get, so I unclaimed to show how to claim it. You see that brought me back here. So allow. So all you have to do there is, as you can see, auto publish and stuff like that. All you have to do there is sign in with the username that you're using on IG with that password. You get, that is all. Pause auto publishing. So now you can see your account is linked. You can choose to pause auto publishing. That means anything you publish on IG will not be published here. But if here is turned off, anything you post on Instagram will automatically publish itself on Pinterest after some minutes or some days. You get, whether videos, your reels, or designs or images, anything at all. So that is all. Auto publish is where you allow it and stuff like that. So that is all for connecting.